Hello Islamic class. Today we will discuss about the topic analogies. Page number 120. Okay, what do you understand by analogy? An analogy is a way of comparison. It is when one idea, concept or thing is compared to something else that is scientifically different from the first. The purpose of an analogy is better to explain or expand the idea or concept by comparing is to something else that may be familiar to it and to the reader. The two things being compared may be completely dissimilar and unlike each other, which still helps the audience or reader understand something about their relationship. An analogy helps a reader or audience understand something abstract or uncommon by comparing it to something familiar or common to the audience. We have different ways of comparison and figures of speech to help us make analogies. Similes and metaphors help to contract an analogy. A simile easily builds an analogy by making a comparison of two things using the words like or as. A metaphor crafts an analogy by comparing two things without using the word like or as. An analogy is not a figure of speech like a simile or metaphor. An analogy instead is a literary device. Okay, now we will discuss about the analogies exercise in book. These are the book exercise that you have to do in copy and book as well. Exercise 152, page number 126, and these are the examples and the answers. Okay, the another exercise, exercise 153, page number 126. As you can see the answers. Exercise 154, page number 127. The answers, as you can see that. Exercise 155, page number 127. I hope you understand the topic analogy. Thank you.